Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 67 how to sign into another account on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application. So now we can go all the way to the iPhone. Go to Instagram, click on Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then go to the right top corner of the screen, click on the three lines, and then go to the bottom of your screen, click on settings, and now swipe up where it says add an account, click on this, and then enter your credentials, your username and password for your other account. In this case, we will be signing into my other account. Log in. You can save the password, however, I will click not now for the moment. And now we have signed into my other account on screen. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.